Oh my God! Oh! Oh! Bull shark, baby! On. Oh yeah, he's better. Woo! Yeah, that's a real one. Beast! Look at that thing. He's like, give me my amberjack back. Oh, there's two of them. It's gonna be like that out here today. Real fish right there. What's happening, guys? Back out here on my way out of the East Pass of Destin. I'm gonna head offshore today in the boat. It's been a while since I've been on the tidewater. I'm hyped up about it. So I'm gonna get out there, I'm gonna do some jigging, and I'm gonna do some trolling. And we're just gonna see what we can get on. We're right on the edge of spring. The water's gonna start warming up here before long. And species will start interchanging on what's here and what's not. Let's go see what we can't get hooked up on today. All right, so I just pulled up on the spot. Gonna drop the Saltiga down, 120 gram vertical jig. That's a needle style jig, so that'll move through the water a little bit faster. Got 80-pound leader and 100-pound main line. Got a few nice marks right here. See if we can't get on. First drop right here. Oh, I got hit. Got hit. Good. Yeah, I'm on. On, baby. Yeah. First fish of the day right here. Feels pretty decent. Woo! Let's go, baby. On the vert. There's my buddy, Mr. Amberjack. Oh man, I missed you. I missed you, buddy. Not a giant, but man, it's good to see a familiar face. Oh man, what up, boy? Settle down, I got you. Really small as far as amberjacks go, but man, it's been probably a couple months since I've caught one of these. It's good to see you again, buddy. There's a big school down there beneath me. Very first drop, that's a good sign. So very first drop I got on. Just a small little adolescent greater amberjack, but such cool fish, man. Let's get him back. Woo! Oh my God, the screen is lit up right now. There is more fish on the screen than bare screen. Sun decided to come out too. Digging that. See if there's a big AJ down there. On. Oh yeah, he's better. Woo! Dang. Yeah, that's a real one. That's a real one. That's a real fish right there. That's actually very good. Oh man, I never get tired of these AJs. Dude, he's big. Yeah, that's a really good fish. Big tail beats. Game face. Yeah, this guy's no joke. He's good. All of a sudden, I really want to land this fish. He's gonna probably be over 34, which is keeper size. Some really strong runs, and you can tell by the way the tail beats are. See those big pulses in the rod? That's a good sign of a big fish. He's got real weight too. Oh no! I think he's getting sharked. Yeah, sharks are here. Oh man, he was really nice. Oh, check that shark out. Beast. Beast. Look at that thing. He's like, give me my amberjack back. Oh, there's two of them. It's gonna be like that out here today. Dang, that's heavy. Gotta watch out for those sharks, for sure. That's too bad. That was a really nice fish. Yeah, that's a bummer. He got absolutely smoked. That was a nice fish. Serious carnage. Oh man, sorry buddy. That was a beautiful fish too. All right, those sharks are waiting on him. About to get smoked. Oh, they're on him. Boom. I don't like to see amberjacks getting eaten like that. That's too bad. That was a really nice fish. Good fight. When there's that many fish here, the sharks are bound to show up. But AJ number 2 on the second drop. The sharks are fed. Hopefully they'll be a little more lazy now. And 2 drops, 2 fish. Can't complain about that. Fish gotta swim, sharks gotta eat. See if we can go 3 for 3. Boom, 3 for 3, baby. Work him a little bit harder. See if I can clear those sharks. Oh, it's time for the fighting belt. Oh. Oh. Oh yeah. 3 for 3, baby. A little bit better fish. So it's officially gonna be one of those days. Every drop is gonna be a fish. It's a little bit better one right there. Probably coming up on 24, 25 inches. Had about a 33, 34 that got sharked. So 3 drops, 3 fish. Okay, so now that I've got those first 3 fish out of the way, let me break down what I'm doing a little bit rather than just catching fish after fish. So I'm dropping this needle jig and that gets down really quick. I've got about 5 foot of 80-pound leader, which is pretty short. Normally I like my leader to be a little longer than that. And then I've got a 100-pound main line and I'm fishing a high gear spinning reel. So it can take in a lot of line quickly. That's a Saltiga 14,000. I'm fishing this 5 foot 6 inch short jigging rod, which gives me more control. Once you're on with a shorter rod, you just have more control of the fish. You're more directly connected. So I'm dropping it down to the very bottom. And normally, I'm talking to you guys, but normally the second it touches the bottom, you want to start coming up as vertical as you can be, as fast as you can. And so you're gonna find a rhythm with your cranks along with the rod. I like to grab the line right here, let that jig fall nice and straight. As soon as it touches the bottom, (112 feet of water). Sometimes they'll hit it on the way down too. All right, there's the bottom, coming up. Oh my God, freight train. Just like that, baby. Just like that. That's a big fish. He's digging. That's fish number 4. Got that cool yellow stripe down their side too. Just a little guy. Had something really big on right there. He came off and this guy was waiting for it to come out of his mouth. Smoked him. They're on. Yep. Yeah, they're still here. Oh yeah. That's a good fish. Hopefully those sharks go over there and mess with that guy. That's a good fish. digger right here. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh man, they're all over them. Ah, freaking sharks. Oh my god! Oh! Oh! Bull shark, baby! Oh my god! Woo! Oh! Oh my god! Oh Jesus! That bull shark just came out of the water right there. Oh, that was so sick. You gotta beat the sharks up. Woo! Sharks, man. Yeah. It's a race to get past them. Boom. Boom. Oh yeah. We on. Too sick. Too sick. Come on. Oh my god, power. Amberjack? Oh, nice fish. Nice one. Nice one. Yes, sir. Yeah. Woo! Yeah, buddy. Now we're talking. We're getting better. Yeah. Tank. There's the bottom. Coming up. Oh! They just freight train it. Oh, he got hit again. Right there. Oh, there's a bunch of them right there. Oh, saw that. Oh, smoked. Oh. That was sick. Oh. He was about 20 feet beneath the boat. And I was just messing with him. He was right there swimming around it. Oh, he's not bad. Oh, oh, big shark on him. Oh my God. Oh yeah. 4 jumbo sharks. Look at these sharks. Guys. That's the biggest AJ so far. Oh my God. You are a lucky fish, my friend. Get in here. We're getting better. You can see back here, one of those sharks checked him. Got him a little bit. Nice fish right there. That's the 6th fish on the 7th drop. You guys get the picture. It's catch a fish every time you drop a jig right now. Woo. Ooh. Wow. He might be good too. Oh yeah. Oh, that's what I was looking for. That's strong. Look at that. That's a good fish right there. Digging. That's a good fish. Come on. Get up here. Oh. Oh. Oh yeah. Now we're talking. Now we're talking. Now we're talking, baby. Yeah. That's more like it. Last 2 or 3 fish I've hooked have been this caliber. Oh man. Yeah, that's a chunky boy. Oh man, giant. Giant. He's about to get his feet under him and run, watch. Yep, he's kind of twisted up in the line. There he goes. This is a big fish. I can feel him kind of fumbling around on the line. But once he finds it, yep, there he goes. Yeah, that's a good one. Digging. Man, I could see him from way down there. He's good sized. Oh yeah. Yeah. Solid. That's a good fish. Let's get a look at you. Oh yeah. So if they were in season, that is a keeper fish. That's a 34 right there. Yep, so if he was in season, that's a keeper right there, 34. Nice. Hey, what's going on, guys? If you've made it this far in the video, first off, I want to thank you for watching. Consider subscribing if you haven't yet. This was an epic day of jigging. I wanted to give a little bit of advice on how I go about doing it. And I want to see this channel continue to grow and build a community here. Any questions you have, drop those down in the comments. I'm pretty good about replying there. Give it a like if you enjoyed it. Every little bit helps. So this was a long day of jigging. Towards the end of the day, I had caught like 65 amberjacks. So this was only a small portion of the fish that I caught. I get into some micro jigging. So I was dropping 120 gram jig in this video mainly. I get into some 40 gram jigs and start trying to target some different species with some massive plastics on this wreck that I was on, and it pays off. I hit a personal best fish. So if you haven't subscribed, hit subscribe, because that video is gonna come out in about 48 hours from right now, or the day you're watching this. So I don't know, if you watch this in a few days, then it's probably already out. But 2 days after I drop this video, I'm gonna drop that video. So micro jigging, personal best on a massive plastic. It was an epic day on the water out there. Again, thank you guys for watching. Consider hitting that subscribe button, and good luck to you in your fishing endeavors, and stay safe out there.